Okay, so the next topic here is windows. Placement of windows. How can we place the windows in the wall? This is also just similar to the door. So the shortcut command is WN. If you type WN, then window tool will get activated. Okay, from the properties palette, the type selector. Okay, click on the type selector. Here you can find the door windows. Okay, these are some standard windows, and these are the loaded windows. These types of loaded windows, double hang casement windows, these are the loaded. And here you can see various types of windows depending upon the sizes. Okay, these are the sizes, and after choosing the window which is required, you need to set the sill height. So sill height is nothing but placement of the window in the wall. Okay, you need to specify the placement of the window in the wall by specifying the height of the sill. Okay, so from the bottom, nothing but from the level one, what is the height to be placed window. Okay, what is the height that has to be placed by window? Okay, so for suppose I just want to place a window at half meter, nothing but 500 mm from the level. Okay, so let us take this, change the sill height 500 and take your cursor nearer to the wall. Okay, this is also same the functioning. If you place anywhere outside apart from the wall, okay, in the drawing sheet, then it will show us the invalid symbol. Okay, to make it valid, you just have to take your cursor nearer to the wall. Okay, look at this. Now it is showing the window. So now I can place it by a single click. Okay, just single click, I can place it. So let us see it in the 3D view. So look at this. Here we have placed the window. Okay, so here from the bottom, its sill height is, look at this, it is a 500 mm. From the bottom, it is a 500 mm. Okay, so if you want to change it, even you can change in the properties palette, or else you can directly change here. Okay, so if you want to change, you can directly click on the dimension that, so it will come to editable mode, and now you can change it. Okay, both either ways you can change from the properties palette or from the dimensions. Okay, so now let us see how to place advanced windows like doors. So for the windows also, we have certain folder which is present by default. We can load the windows from that folder. Okay, let us see how to load it. Okay, so to load it, just activate the tool. Okay, so after activating the tool, you can click on this load family option. Okay, and this is the door family. So we need the window family, right? So get out of this folder and search for the Windows folder. Here, look at this. At the last, you can find Windows folder. Open this. These are some types of windows. Okay, these are some types of windows. So you can choose whichever is required. Let me place this type of window. So at a time you can choose multiple things. Okay, multiple. By holding the control, you can choose multiple types of windows. Click on open. So as similar to the earlier one, we'll get the different sizes in this type. Okay, select the size. Okay, I'm choosing this size, then click on OK. So the window has been loaded. So let us place this window here. Okay, so I've placed the window. Look at this, that now that window has been loaded in the type selector as well. So for the next time, you no need to go for load family. You can directly choose it from the type selector. Okay, so one time if you load the any component, it will present in the type selector. Okay, in that project only. It is limited up to that project only. So let us see it in 3D view, the appearance. So this is how the window looks. Automatically it will cut the wall. Okay, it will create the opening in the wall, and it will places the window automatically, exactly as real. Okay, exactly as realistic. It will cuts the wall and places the window. So look at this, as it is having glasses, it is more transparent, right? The window is containing glasses, so we can able to see the interior wall as well through this glasses in the window. Okay, that is about window. So in the windows, we have the various types, and similar to doors alike. So for suppose, like we have created in the walls, we have created the of our own thickness and of our own type walls, right? Similar to that, we can create the doors and windows of our own sizes. Okay. So for suppose for suppose I require the window of size 1000 by, so I require the size of 1000 by 700. Okay. 1000 by 700, which is not present here. Look at this. It is nowhere present. 1000 by 700 size is nowhere present. Okay, we can create it. Look at this. Here we have 700 by 1200, 650 by 1100, but I don't have 1000 by 700. Okay, 1000 by 700 size. So let us see how to create the doors and windows of our own sizes. Okay, of our own properties. So before creating before creating this windows, we need to choose some reference, right? So whatever the reference we'll take, the same reference will be reflected, right? So for suppose I'm choosing this m fixed reference, so I'm choosing this type as a reference. Okay, 915 by, first let's save it, 915 by 1830. I'm choosing this reference. So with this reference, I just want to create the window of same type of different size. Okay, same type of different size. So click on this edit type, click on the edit type option. Then you can able to see the type properties of that particular window. So as we have done in the wall, here also the same case. You can go with duplicate. If you change the same thing, it will change the original one itself. Okay, before changing it, click on duplicate, and let me change its size to 1000 by 700. Okay, then click on OK. So look at this, we have just given a new name to it. We have not yet changed its dimensions. Okay, so to change its dimension, look at the parameters, type parameters. In the parameters, in the dimensions, you can see height here. So height is, what is the height? So I have given horizontal by vertical. So height becomes 700. So let us change the height to 700. And width I require 1000. Okay. And if you want to change any other properties like materials, okay, you can change the materials. So here glass material, glass pane material is there, frame exterior material, frame interior material, okay, sashes. So if you want to change those things, you can change it. Okay. And finally, after making all the changes required to us, just click on OK. Look at this, a window of size 1000 by 700 has been created, and if you want to place it, you can place. So let me place this window here. Okay, let us see it in 3D. Look at this. So this is of size 1000 by 700. So if you can see here, so it is placed at the bottom because the sill height is 305 mm. Okay, so you can change its height of placement by giving sill height. Okay, sill height I'm giving it to 1 meter. So look at this. Now it will place 1 meter. And if you want to place it a little bit higher, you can go for changing the sill height. Okay. So likewise, we can create the window of our own sizes. So by choosing the type, we can create the windows of own sizes. The same thing is applicable to the doors as well. Even in the door, select the door, go to edit type. Okay. So duplicate it. Let me create the door of size 2000 by 2400. Just click on OK. So now here we need to change the dimensions, width and height of the door. Width and height of the door. Width is of 2000. Height is of 2400 itself. Next, if you want to change the materials, you can change it here. Simply for the instead of glass materials, if you want any other material, okay, just click on the box here. So three dotted box will present. Just click on it, which is nothing but add material box. You can search for the material here. So for suppose let us search for the plastic. Okay, here you can see the plastic material. Okay, so I'm choosing this door frame, door panel. Okay, door panel material, and then click on use render appearance. So this will be its appearance. Then click on apply. Okay, so in the instead of glass, now we'll get the door panel material. Okay, so let us place this here. Let us see in 3D. Look at this. So instead of the glass, we have wood material. Okay, so this door is of this type. Okay, this type. I have changed this type to this by changing the properties by going through edit type option. Okay, so is it clear? Is this topic clear, everyone? Ma'am, can you tell the folder again from where to load the family? Okay, definitely. So load families. So select the component. Okay, for suppose if you want to load the door families, okay, select the component first. Okay, which you would like to load. Okay, after selecting the component, in the menus, in the modify, you can find load family option. Okay, so look at this. So it will directly comes. Okay, for many of you are facing issues for identifying these folders. Okay, so you can cross check in the program data, in the local disk, in the program data, you will get Autodesk folder. Okay, in the Autodesk folder, you will get the Revit folder. Okay, currently I have 2021 version, so I will get Revit folder. If you have installed 2017 version, then you will get folder as RVT 2017. Okay, so in that folder again you can go for libraries. So from the libraries, either in English folder or in India folder. Okay, either in English folder or in India folder you can find. So these are the folders related to other countries. Okay, so you can find the components related to other countries. Chinese. Okay, components, the same components, other countries, related to other countries. Okay, these are the other countries things. So either you can find here India or English. Okay, you can go with anything. So I'm choosing here English. So I have got all the folders in this. Okay, so once take a screenshot here. This is a path. This is a path to find this load family folders. Okay, components. Yeah, make a screenshot of this. Many of you are facing the same issue. You will have the folders, but you need to identify it. Okay, so in the C drive, the program data, not in program files, you'll be having the folders like program files, 86 program files. Okay, so in the program data you can find Autodesk. Let me show you that folders outside. Okay, in my system. So this is, go to C drive. Look at this program files you have here. You can go with this Autodesk. Okay, Revit 2021. So in this here you can find the files. If you didn't find any files here, then you have to it means that you don't have properly installed the software. Okay, properly install the software. That was the issue. If you directly go to the C drive, you cannot find it. Okay, go to load family and try to search for the same path. Okay, C drive, program data, Autodesk, Revit. Okay, still if you are facing to find these components, and everything. So you can get it from outside also. That is, I just make an arrangement for this particular components. Will share it your drive. You can download those from the drive, and you can load from that particular folders. Okay, if you didn't find